Hello students, welcome to Breedmark Academy. Myself LS Nanda. Now in today's video, I am going to discuss the solution of a mathematics question that was asked in one of the shifts of JEE Main 2025 April session exam. This question is based on the topic of sequences and series. It says, consider two sets A and B, each containing three numbers in AP. Let the sum and the product of the elements of A be 36 and P respectively, and the sum and the product of the elements of B be 36 and Q respectively. Let small d and capital D be the common differences of APs in A and B respectively, such that capital D equal to small d plus 3, where small d is greater than 0, if P plus Q upon P minus Q equal to 19 upon 5, then P minus Q is equal to. Now students, in this question, we have been given two sets A and B. Both of these sets contain three elements each, and their elements are forming two separate arithmetic progressions. I am considering the elements of the set A as A minus D, A and A plus D, where D is the common difference of this arithmetic progression. And I am considering the elements of set B as capital A minus capital D, then capital A, and then capital A plus capital D, where capital D is the common difference of the elements of this set B. Now students, it is given to us that the sum of the elements of A, that is 3A, is equal to 36. So that means small a is equal to 12. Similarly, the sum of the elements of set B, that is 3 into capital A, is also 36. So that means capital A is also equal to 12. Now we move further. Now students, in the question, it is given to us that the product of the elements of set A is P. So that means I can write 12 minus small d into 12 plus small d equal to P. So this is equation number 1. And we have also been given that the product of the elements of set B is Q. So that means 12 minus capital D into 12 plus capital D equal to Q. Now this is equation number 2. Just divide equation number 1 by equation number 2. You will get 12 minus small d into 12 plus small d divided upon 12 minus capital D into 12 plus capital D equal to P upon Q. Now students, we have been given that P plus Q upon P minus Q equal to 19 upon 5. So just apply componendo and dividendo rule to this equation. You will get P plus Q plus P minus Q in the numerator and P plus Q minus P plus Q in the denominator. And on the right hand side, you will get 19 plus 5, that is 24. And in the denominator, you will get 19 minus 5, that is 14. So this becomes 12 upon 7. And on the left hand side, we get 2P upon 2Q. So this becomes P upon Q equal to 12 upon 7. Now students, we have got the value of P upon Q. And we have also been given that capital D is equal to small d plus 3. So now just substitute capital D as small d plus 3 in this third equation. So from here we get 144 minus d square in the numerator divided upon 9 minus small d into 15 plus small d equal to 12 upon 7. I am calling this equation as equation number 4. Now students, this equation is clearly a quadratic equation in small d. Now we will solve this equation and get the value of small d, and hence we will be able to find the values of p and q, and finally we will get the value of p minus q. Now students, we move further. Now students, the equation number 4 can be written as 7 times inside the bracket 144 minus d square equal to 12 times inside the bracket 135 minus 6d minus d square. Now this becomes 1008 minus 7d square equal to 1620 minus 72d minus 12d square. Now the equation becomes 5d square plus 72d minus 612 equal to 0. Now students, we can easily solve this quadratic equation by using middle term splitting method. So this becomes 5d square minus 30d plus 102d minus 612 equal to 0. Now this becomes 5d into inside the bracket d minus 6 plus 102 into inside the bracket d minus 6 equal to 0. Now we get 5d plus 102 into d minus 6 equal to 0. So from here we get two values of d. One is d equal to minus 102 divided by 5, and another is d equal to 6. Now students, we have been given that d is positive. So that means d equal to minus 102 divided by 5 is rejected and d equal to 6 is accepted. Now we can easily find the values of p and q by putting the value of d, and hence we will get the value of p minus q. Now students, when we put the value of d in equation number 1, then the value of p comes as 6 into 12 into 18. And when we put the value of d in equation number 2, then the value of q comes as 3 into 12 into 21. So that means p minus q is equal to 12 times inside the bracket 108 minus 63, and this becomes 12 into 45 or equal to 540. So that means option A is the correct one. Now students, next question I will discuss in tomorrow's video. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching my videos and enhance your knowledge of mathematics. Thanks.